How to create a new folder on Windows 11. Method 1. Create a new folder using the context menu. First, head over to the location where you want to create the folder. Then right-click on Anywhere to open the context menu. Then hover the mouse on New. Then select Folder. Type in a suitable name for your folder and press Enter. Method 2. Create a new folder using File Explorer. First, go to the File Explorer. Navigate to the location where you want to create a new folder. Click on the New button in the top left corner of File Explorer and select Folder from the list. Give your folder a suitable name. Then press Enter. Method 3. Create a new folder with a keyboard shortcut. To create a new folder faster using keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+Shift+N in the keyboard. With this shortcut, a new folder will be created. Now you can rename it to anything you want. And that's how you can create a new folder on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.